Welcome everyone to Cisco Packet Tracer tutorial part 2. In this video, we will do IP address testing, the network using the ping command, and then we will connect switch to router. After that, I will show you how to connect PC or laptop to a routing using console cable for the basic configuration. First, we will open Cisco Packet Tracer. Now we will assign IP address to the both PCs. Like previously, we have already assigned IP addresses. This is class C IP address 192.168.1.1 and as PC1 like 192.168.1.2. This is same IP addresses and same network that we will assign the same network's IP addresses. Now we will test using ping command. So we will click PC0 to go to the desktop, open the command terminal, prompt, type ping command, ping 192.168.1.2. Press enter. If the connection is correct, you will see the reply from the 192.168.1.2. This means PC0 can communicate with the PC1 successfully. Now test from PC1 as well as. Command prompt, we will type ping 192.168.1.1. Then press enter. If connection is correct, you will see reply from 192.168.1.1. This means PC1 can communication with PC0 successfully. This is our first part from this video. Now we will connect the switch to the router, and router also connected with the laptop with the console cable. Now we will choose any router. Here I will choose router, PT router, and then I will bring the switch to 296024 TT switch. Now we will connect with the automatic cable. This is way we are connect switch to the router. Now we will connect console cable with the router with the help of laptop. We will select the laptop. Then we will select console cable. In this laptop, we will connect RS232 with the laptop, and we will connect a router with the console cable. Then we will go to the desktop, and we click on the terminal. This is default configuration. We cannot change any on these. Just we will press OK. This is we are connected to the routers. Just like we say no, return, and we are connected with the router with the help of console cable. Now we will configure any setting on the router, just like we say enable configuration terminal. Thank you. We will meet on the third video. I will show how basic configuration are going on the router. Thank you.